Alrighty. Oh, I'm going up to the boat here. You check out the new lights. It's not even fully dark yet, so check this out. You watch the side of the garage. That's the black light going on. It's going to light up the water immensely. So here's what they look like with the black lights on. Extremely bright. Extremely bright. It's gonna so much make a difference night fishing. I'm stoked. Alright. And one more thing. If I can find it there. There we go. Got the green light on that side. The red one on that side. I still have my light up there, but it's extra handy for those times where your little light in the front either doesn't work or flies off. Let's see. And there's a bright light option. Where's it at? There it is. Lights up real bright, both sides in the front. See a trolling motor or do whatever you got to do. Got the switches right here. This one controls the white ones in the front. I can actually turn one side off, turn it back on, turn the other side off, other side on. Nice. Got my dimmer switch right here. Those are my little LED lights. Where are they at? There's one. Nice and flush, so I won't break them off when I fall on them. Got 1, 2, 3 on that side, 3 on this side, and 2 in the back. Dimmer switch right here. So you can have it a little bit, you can make it real bright. So we'll have it like that when you're doing tackle. Just turn it down low like this while you're fishing. Good to go. Good to go. Let's do another walk around. Nice. I'm ready to go night fishing right now. Yes. All right. No more having to fiddle with the little portable black lights. Nice, nice, nice. Plus it adds a huge bit of safety while you're out on the water. People can actually see you.